In the city of Basra, there's a remarkable librarian named Aliyah Muhammad. Aliyah is passionate about books and literature, and she has dedicated her life to sharing the love with others. During the Iraq War, Aliyah's library is threatened when the city is bombed. Aliyah realizes that she cannot let the books be destroyed, as they represent a rich cultural heritage that must be preserved for future generations. Aliyah takes action, moving over 30,000 books to her own home in order to keep them safe. She works tirelessly to catalog and organize the books, creating a makeshift library in her living room despite the danger and uncertainty of the war. Aliyah refuses to let her passion for literature be silenced. She continues to collect and preserve books, even reaching out to the international organizations for help in securing funding and resources. Eventually, Aliyah's story comes to the attention of the world, and she is hailed as a hero for her bravery and dedication to preserving Iraq's cultural heritage. The moral of Aliyah's story is that passion and determination can overcome even the most difficult of obstacles. Despite the war and the danger it posed, Aliyah refused to let her love for books be silenced. Her commitment to preserving Iraq's cultural heritage is an inspiration to us all. Thank you very much.